Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by safeguarding data. Take a full backup and switch to single-user mode so no other process modifies records. Once done, open Gateway of Tally and press F11 to enter features, then choose Inventory Features. You're doing this now because changing tracking affects stock structure. Make sure you're in the correct company and period. Don't navigate away. Keep features open so you can change the tracking toggle and apply the setting immediately to begin stopping number tracking. You will now turn off tracking at the feature level. In Inventory Features, set Enable Tracking Numbers to No, then Accept and let Tally refresh company features. Once the global switch is off, open each stock item alteration and clear any batch/serial or tracking number settings so items stop requiring numbers. Do this systematically. Filter items with tracking enabled and disable them. This prevents Tally from prompting for numbers later and ensures new entries won't record tracking numbers. Finish by restarting Tally and creating a simple stock voucher to verify the tracking prompt is gone. If you still see tracking requests, inspect existing transactions. You may need to alter or cancel vouchers that reference tracking numbers or remove tracking from those specific stock entries. If multiple historical transactions depend on tracking, consider restoring the backup and planning a staged migration. One troubleshooting tip: if disabling breaks linked vouchers, restore the backup and remove tracking per item.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.